In this video, I am going to show you how to recycle a wound care kit. Here are the supplies needed to recycle: 4x4s, roll of gauze, an ABD pad, sterile gloves, a drape, a measuring guide, red biohazard bag, exam gloves, a small bottle of sterile saline, and 2 rolls of tape. It is important that this kit is assembled in a particular order. First, we'll start with the large side and we'll put in 4x4s, and then a roll of gauze, and then the ABD pad, the sterile gloves, the drape, the measuring guide, the red biohazard bag, and the pair of non-sterile gloves. In the small compartment will be the saline and the 2 roll of gauze. So once everything is assembled, you will take double-sided tape all around these edges. Make sure that you're not taping any of the supplies to that, but tape that, seal this over it, and that is how you recycle a wound care kit.